Keep calm and hold on. It's Crypto Rocko here, guys, and in today's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin and major cryptocurrency price prediction for this month and up to the whole year, guys. And we're going to use Tom Lee's interview on Cnbc that he's done to make our prediction, and we'll say whether keep calm and hold on is the best strategy for us. So the video that I wanted to show you is
keep calm and hold on.
I just wanted to start off with that bit, guys, because it's great to see CNBC and such a major network talking in our terminology. The Bitcoin and cryptocurrency fever is truly spreading to the world. It's brilliant to see that, guys. But before I get into this video, guys, I'd just like to tell you guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. It means a lot to me and it helps me bring the best cryptocurrency content to you guys. I do technical analysis, coin predictions, price predictions, and bring you the latest news to keep you guys safe in the crazy world of cryptocurrency money. I also do some trading signals as well, like I've done for Ontology in the past, ICX, 0x, Litecoin, EOS. I've done a lot of trading signals as well on my Twitter and Instagram, so follow me on those places, or just follow me on YouTube, guys, to stay up to date with the latest news. And I do a lot of Litecoin giveaways as well. I've done a previous Litecoin giveaway, half a Litecoin giveaway. So if you want to win half a Litecoin, guys, please scroll down, subscribe to my channel, and leave your Litecoin addresses, not your Bitcoin address, your Litecoin address, to win half a Litecoin, guys. So thank you very much if you've already subscribed and left your Litecoin addresses, and I will see you guys soon with another giveaway. So without further ado, let's get into this video. This is the key bit I wanted to show you guys.
If you take out the 10 best days for Bitcoin every year based on percentage change, Bitcoin's fallen 25% a year.
So this is the key bit I wanted to show you guys. So if you held Bitcoin, but you didn't hold Bitcoin in those key 10 days, guys, you would be down 25%. How crazy is that, guys? So Bitcoin goes up in spikes of days. So if you didn't hodl in those 10 days, you wouldn't have made any money in Bitcoin. So some people try and time the market, and I trade sometimes. I mean, I'm a hodler, but I've traded forex and stocks before, so I sometimes try and sell at the high, buy back at the low, and try to catch breakout trades for altcoins. And I try to trade, but sometimes I don't get it right. So for Bitcoin, I didn't buy at the bottom. I had to buy around half, 9,400, around there mark. I'm still up now, but I'm not up as much, and I only went in a little bit because I didn't want to FOMO in, because that's a really bad thing to do in trading. You need to have entry points and exit points and your strategy in place. So I did kind of FOMO in, half FOMOed in. I went in a little bit, but just tried to dip my toes because I didn't want to miss it if it went up. So that's the thing. If you try to always time the market, you might not end up timing the market, and you might miss those massive gains. So the best strategy for most people is to just keep calm and hold on. And if this chart doesn't make you believe in keep calm and hold on, I'm not sure what will. But if Tom Lee, a really experienced and respectable guy in the Wall Street, is saying about Bitcoin, it is something that we should take seriously. But definitely do your own research and don't just follow this advice or any other advice.
Bitcoin is a great store of value. It works really well.
So again, why Bitcoin? Why should we invest in Bitcoin? Because there's a lot of news coming out that Bitcoin is getting old, and people are trying to buy altcoins and not buying Bitcoin at all. But Bitcoin is still king. It's a great store of value, and I think everyone should be hodling Bitcoin. You should definitely be invested in Bitcoin.
It's kind of boring because it's not.
Because Bitcoin is going boring now, because there are other faster coins. There's great marketing, great charismatic leaders, but Bitcoin is still king, guys. And I hope you all are holding Bitcoin and diversify, because Bitcoin at the end of the day is still king. If you look at how the market works, guys, when Bitcoin goes up, all the altcoins goes up massively, but if Bitcoin consolidates, rest of the coins consolidates a lot more. So make sure you're invested in Bitcoin, guys. Again, do your own research and this is just my views and my thoughts. Although I'm experienced in the financial markets, forex and stocks, this is just my opinion, guys. Do your own research and make up your own mind. But my advice would be that you should have some Bitcoin, even if you like other coins, you invested in it. Make sure that you are diversified, because Bitcoin still is the king of cryptocurrency.
we still think Bitcoin's in a bull market.
So there's a lot of questions that Bitcoin. I mean, I myself is quite conservative. I haven't bought in massively because I think that Bitcoin might go down further. But it's good to hear Tom Lee. He probably doesn't share what I'm sharing. He thinks that Bitcoin is still in a bull market, and the reason why he's thinking that is there's not been bad news like in January, February when it crashed massively. There was a lot of bad news coming out. People were scared. People were taking profit. Now the market is a lot more stable. There's a lot of good news coming out. The good old predictions are coming out of massive 100k Bitcoin, 50k Bitcoin, a million Bitcoin. So we're in a bull run. I still think there might be a little bit of a dip. For hopefully I could buy in. I've started to buy in already. Hopefully there'll be a slightly dip, not a dip to like 5,000. I don't think. I mean, it might happen. It's just my thoughts, guys. I'm just speculating and then using my experience. Again, do your own research.
This chance for while Bitcoin's consolidating, and they're seeing the case for it as a real store value.
So he's talking about that he's like I've said, Tom Lee is very well respected, and he's been in the Wall Street. People respect him, and he's been talking to a lot of big investors, and they're saying that they're thinking about going into Bitcoin, and this kind of consolidation is allowing people to learn about Bitcoin, and hopefully more people will come in. I've done loads of videos on George Soros and Rockefeller people coming into Bitcoin. I've done a video on George Soros and his theory of reflexivity that you can use to make money. In those videos, I tried to say institutional money, Wall Street money coming in will help Bitcoin go on that bull run. And Tom Lee is saying that as well. So it's good to hear someone, not just a random YouTuber, Crypto Rocko, saying it's good to see Tom Lee talking about big investors, Wall Street investors, and big whales are coming in with their big money, which will ultimately help Bitcoin go on that bull run.
Timing, because it doesn't force investors to jump in and
so he just talks about that timing thing that we mentioned before. Like when you try and time Bitcoin, you might get it wrong, and then it might not give you the best value. So it's best to kind of learn from it and then do it like just kind of getting it at a good price and hold on. Final bit I'd like to show you guys.
I'll ask a question right here, right now.
So this is the final question they'll ask Tom Lee, whether he thinks. Well, let's play the video.
Fresh money into Bitcoin or the S&P 500?
What do you guys think his answer is?
If it's between now and year end,
Ta-da-da!
Yes.
It's easily Bitcoin.
Right, does it not sound good to hear that, guys? Someone so experienced in Wall Street saying he'd invest in Bitcoin currently over other over S&P and stock market. So that's a quick video, guys. The main essence that I wanted to share with you guys is keep calm and hold on. Don't, if you're not experienced trader, don't try and trade. I mean, I've made bad trades as well. Although some of my trade, some of the I'll share what I trade, and a lot of them have come correct, but I'll make mistakes as well. I didn't catch this trade. You can't catch all the trades, guys. You'll miss some. But if you're not an experienced trader, if you haven't got the time to learn it and invest in it, and invest all the time in it, I'll just say, guys, keep calm and hold on, like Charlie Lee said, and that might be a good strategy for you because the predictions for Bitcoin are really bullish. Technical analysis, guys, I don't like doing tech. I like to keep it easy to understand. I don't want to get into all the details of technical analysis, but this chart is showing that Bitcoin is broken up and it could potentially see that 10,000 mark for a temporary stop before it pulls back or it decides what to do. So that's kind of the technical analysis of it. It's broken down that triangle. If diamond formation, if you don't know what it is. I like to keep this video quite easy to adopt, so because a lot of my viewers are probably not technical analysis. If you guys are interested in that, I will share it because I don't like sharing technical analysis in case people lose money using my analysis. I really want to keep it basic, simple, to keep you guys safe in the crazy world of cryptocurrency money. So the market, I see, guys, the market's probably waiting for Bitcoin now because Bitcoin has gone on a rally. A lot of money is going into Bitcoin and people are taking profits. Like Ontology, people are taking profits of Ontology. One of my favorite coins, ICX, is not doing as well. Litecoin is a coin that's gone up massively as well. I think it's beaten Bitcoin for the price increase. This is another trade that I missed out on. I went in a little bit later, so I've still got some gains, but not as massively. And if you guys are subscribed to my channel, I'll be doing a really good Litecoin video in the coming days. I'll go into a lot of detail why I like Litecoin and what could be the price prediction for Litecoin. So if you're a fan of Litecoin, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also I'll be doing half a Litecoin giveaway. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. and let me know what your thoughts are. Do you think Bitcoin will go up massively? Will it dip? What's your price prediction? Leave your price prediction for Bitcoin below. Just a one word, what your price prediction is. And also, if you're subscribed to my channel, leave your Litecoin address to win half a Litecoin when I do my next half a Litecoin giveaway. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys, and smash that like button. Share it with your friends and family on Facebook, Twitter, just word of mouth, guys, and subscribe to my channel. And finally, guys, keep calm and hodl on.